For me, worth it yung balikan tong sequel na to. Napakaganda. It's a very meaningful story. Kasi as a Canadian, nakarelate ako dun sa mga stories nila. Yung mga Canadians working abroad. My parents can relate to that, my family. So, job well done. Grabe, ang ganda.
Very mapuso yung pagkagawa, di ba?
Very, talagang ramdam yung mga emotions sa mata. As an actor myself, na-inspire ako sa kanila. Grabe yung pag-portray nila ng characters and to tell a story, not just for them, but for the Filipinos abroad.
Real na real talaga.
Real na real. Grabe.
Yung na-read din ba yung nakita mo sa Candle? Yung pinapanood?
Oo nga, grabe. As in, hindi ko na makontrol yung sarili ko. So, sumisigaw na ako para sa kanila. Grabe, nakakakilig. And as a childhood crush, si Catherine Bernardo, nakakakilig talaga.
Eh, ano masasabi mo sa mga supporters mo sa Shining Inheritance?
Yes,
Kasang reading.
Nako, maraming salamat po to my supporters sa Shining Inheritance. Not just for me, but for the whole cast for the story. We really appreciate it kasi it's a Korean adaptation and afternoon prime. So maraming salamat po sa support.
Cassie is there kanina.
Yeah.
Have you seen her?
Yes, nakita ko siya kanina. Actually, we were in one row together and talagang big Catherine fan siya. So together, we were really happy seeing it together, the movie, and masaya lang.
Ito, any kapamilya actress na gusto mong makapareha kung sakaling magkaroon ng collaboration?
O sige, mangarap na ako, Miss Catherine Bernardo. Yeah.
Thank
It's
you,
possible dahil may DNA.
Yes, it's a great opportunity. Yes, manifesting.
Thank you.
Sige, maraming salamat.
Hi, Mavi! Hi, Cassie! Looking great! Walang photo tayo.
Saan yung cinema?